out. Let me see. Look out, y'all. We up here at XRP.
Hey, take your picture.
Love, appreciate it. I got paid my 50, y'all. Got paid my 50 from the Grudge race at Yello Belly. We about to go over here and see what's going down. They got a Grudge race coming up. He said he gonna get me. He gonna fuck me up. He say y'all better watch him. He said he gonna get me. Yeah. You calling me? I'm in the way. Okay. Look out. All right, y'all. Any sponsors? Y'all want to add your logo there? Brian Henderson. Look out. Hey. Damn, what the fuck, Derek? So, look out, Rapid Transit. Sorry to hear that, Derek. Look out. What's up with it, man? Boom.
Bro, my shirt, look out, come on, man.
Oh, you still need your shirt? Dang, man, I've been tripping.
You got mine already, look out.
I still got the one from you. I'm gonna wear it up here. The Track Baby Look Out Racing shirt, y'all. I hope she get better. We got Nanette Jones say she love this channel, y'all. We got some rim racing coming up. Which side y'all got? Y'all betting with? It's a bad mother. What they telling me?
Hey, hold him up.
Oh, this my boy. Oh shit, we don't need to see his tongue. We got the Cutlass in the right lane. Cutlass in the left lane, Monte Carlo in the right lane. Circle of Life. Look out, Circle of Life. I might need you over there. On TikTok. I'm moderate. You the best moderator I ever seen. I should have got my link before I got on. Make sure y'all. No, they ain't getting. Left lane for the win. Left lane for the win, y'all. This is XRP Extreme. Check out my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing, so y'all can see it in widescreen, HD. Oh, here go my boy, y'all. Oh, that's who racing Scrapper, okay. Yeah. Hey, y'all, this the car that's gonna be in a big grudge race right here, y'all. He got a big grudge race with Scrapper. For my people watching on TikTok, y'all check out my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. Look out. Fast enough to whoop Scrapper. I don't know. I guess it's gonna be a good race. Scrapper might get him. It ain't as violent. It ain't. I don't think it's violent enough.